Have you seen those viral skeleton AI videos on YouTube Shorts and TikTok? You know, skeletons telling emotional stories, skeletons asking deep life questions, or even skeletons explaining dark facts in a cinematic voice. They're getting millions of views using simple skeleton characters. And the crazy part? Most of them are made using AI tools. No animation skills needed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create skeleton AI videos step by step, how to create the story, how to generate skeleton AI images using Google Nano Banana, how to turn images into videos using Google Flow, how to edit everything in CapCut Pro, and how to create the final viral output. Let's start. Step 1. Question creation. Most important part, before touching any AI tool, you need a strong concept. Most skeleton AI videos work in two formats: deep life questions, dark facts, or philosophical content. The key is short, thought-provoking. For the prompt, use the document in the description. I am going to show you how to do it. Step 2. Create skeleton images. Google Nano Banana. Copy the prompt given by ChatGPT. Now open Google Nano Banana and paste the prompt. It will give you a realistic image. Step 3. Turn images into video. Google Flow using VEO 3.0. Now open Google Flow, which uses VEO AI. Upload your skeleton image. Then write motion prompt given by ChatGPT. Generate 5 to 8 second clips from each image. Repeat for all images. Now you have multiple cinematic skeleton video clips. Next, editing. Step 4. Edit in CapCut. Import all clips into CapCut. Now do this. Arrange clips according to story flow. Add dramatic background music. Add cinematic sound effects. Then add voiceover. For voiceover use, 11 labs, or you can record your own voice. Make sure voice is engaged in deep mysterious. Now add captions. Use bold white font, glow effect, fast text animation. Add slight zoom effects for intensity. Now your skeleton video looks professional. Step 5. Final output export settings. Resolution 1080 by 1920. For shorts, 60 frames per second. High quality watch final output. You now have a cinematic skeleton AI video ready to upload. This niche works because it's mysterious. It triggers curiosity and people rewatch it. And that's exactly how you make skeleton AI videos step by step using prompt from ChatGPT, Google Nano Banana for images, Google Flow with VEO 3.0 for animation, CapCut for editing. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.